Hi Leo, this is your next 7 days reading starting from 7th of March to the 14th of March. I'm going to look at your energies through the tarot cards, and I have taken out your cards and clarified it to understand what's coming to you from the 7th to the 14th. And it starts from your external environment. What is there around you in this time period? The energies that are influencing you in this time are two energies, important ones. One is King of Wands. This is you. This is a court card. So this is showing your personality. So you are at this time very strong. You are very independent. You have some goals and you want to achieve them. So you have this King of Wands energy, very entrepreneurial, goal oriented, and someone with passion. So in terms of love, this person pursues passion, and this person is also very independent in their approach. They don't give in to nagging. With the seven of swords energy along with it, this is telling me that you are also strategizing to move forward. You are also wanting to get out of difficulties in this time period with some planning, and you are taking action with the King of Wands. So you are very motivated in this time period with your influences, and you are very strong. So with the King of Pentacles energy in the present position, you have everything. You are also neutral in love as well, very securely planted in your money situation or in your material life. You are strong. And with the Nine of Pentacles, this is telling me that some of you have singular energies because all the energies are singular. So you have the King of Wands, you have the King of Pentacles. So there is a combo of King of Wands and King of Pentacles kind of energy at this time. And with the Nine of Pentacles, you are in abundance and you are very strong. However, with some past betrayals in your love life or around you with other people, you are feeling a bit disappointed, or you could be feeling a bit bored or apathetic with what's going on around you. So but in that situation, maybe some of you have gone through some difficulty and you felt drained in a certain situation. And with the Tower and the Nine of Wands coming in reverse, this is telling me now this situation is over. Something unexpected, something may have happened to you. This could be you avoided a disaster in your situation. It could be a small one or a big one, and that was connected to your dreams. So now you are strategizing to do something better because you have gone through some losses. So in this time period, with the strength and the Knight of Wands energy, what I am seeing is you are having control over the situation. You are patient, you are courageous, and you are with that caution, you are moving forward. So you are moving forward with lot of strength. This can also be in terms of your health. Some of you are feeling bad health, were feeling bad health. So you have taken control, you are showing courage, and you are patiently moving forward towards towards taking action or getting your treatment done. So whether it is your love life, whether it is your health or your work situation, you are going to experience the Ace of Cups. So the Ace of Cups is a feeling, new feeling, and this is invigoration or new beginning. So this is about a chance of newness coming in this week, a cure, a treatment, a feeling of recovery coming in this time period. So your underlying energy, Leo, is Three of Pentacles. You are moving forward with a team, or you are collaborating, or your efforts in a situation is recognized. So you will be whatever is the situation, if it is a new situation, you are showing firmness and you are making a firm base, or a firm kind of energy is pervading, and you are working with other people, taking their help or being of support to them. A new beginning with the Two of Cups. So this could be in love situation. You are having a person or with whom you are having collaboration and a renewal. So this is happening after an ending or a slip up or a mistake. This was a bad health or setback in your emotional situation. You had a heartbreak. There was a karmic ending with someone. Some situation died down, or some situation gave you a heartache. So from there you are starting with a firm foundation, and with the Two of Cups, a new beginning. And love situation, love is beginning, or some abundance or a new chance is coming in. So with the Ace of Pentacles, after all these cards, as your outcome tells me, a new opportunity is coming in for you. So this is happening once you take over your situation of stickiness or stagnation. So with the Devil and the Fool card, bad habits, bad things, lower energies will be worked upon with a new chance, with a leap of faith which you are going to take in this time period. I am sorry about the external noise. If you are getting that, it's a machine which is working right now outside. So let's read out the star codes astro for you in this time period. You could be opposed in this time period, so there is some opposition. So the action is, this is not a comfortable situation, but that's not the point. You are being challenged to grow. Look at the situation as a dojo, a martial arts training center, and take the training. You don't have to trust the wisdom of people you are wrestling with, but you can trust the pattern itself in the great cosmic workout. So practice your best skills. Stay centered and operate from wisdom and strategy. So this situation is inconvenient, and it could be, however, a growth opportunity. So this situation offers you a chance to burn through karma if you can continually respond with compassion and tough love from your highest self, or take the high road. You will be successful. So strategy is important in this time period. Making your goals clear is important. So what is topically coming in? You could be having lot of discussion at home with the family room or board meetings. A message of concern could be coming to you. A message is important. Something is official. You could be wearing a uniform, or a uniform person could be around you. An imprisonment situation or a blocked situation going to be becoming official in this time period. So the message will be coming in. So imprisonment could be a deadlock that could be opened, because I am seeing the Fool and the Devil. So this can mean a decision to get out of trap, or a decision that could lead you to a trap. It could be both ways, but an opportunity is coming in which is of change. So first of all, there will be a change, and then there could be a decision that you will be making in the coming period. But look forward towards collaborating and being moderate in this situation, and take your decisions with lot of thinking in this time. So if you have liked this reading, please like, share and subscribe. If you have something to say to me, write it in the comment box. People who are going through difficulties can contact me for a personal reading, and my email ID is just below this reading in the description box. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.